everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello, everyone. So, Sarah, how are you today?
I'm great, Adam. Thank you. Actually, a little excited. And you? How are you feeling today?
Oh, I'm feeling really good, Sarah. The sun is shining, and we are here, ready to talk about a very interesting topic.
That's true. So, what do you think today's topic is?
I'm very curious. Tell everyone, Sarah, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is, drumroll please, talking about your future.
Wow, that's a fantastic topic. I love talking about the future.
Me too. It's always fun to imagine what comes next, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
All right then, let's get started.
Adam, when you think about the future, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
I think about small plans, like tomorrow or next week.
What's one small plan you have for tomorrow?
I will water my plants and then go for a short walk.
That sounds relaxing. I am going to bake cookies tomorrow.
Yum! What kind of cookies are you going to make?
Chocolate chip, the classic kind I always enjoy.
Perfect choice. Do you ever plan bigger things for next year?
Yes, I'm going to start an online course next spring.
What kind of course will it be?
A creative writing course to help me write short stories.
That's a wonderful plan. I will learn some new guitar songs.
Are you going to take lessons or learn from videos?
A bit of both. I'm going to take a weekend class.
Nice. Do you use will or going to when you talk about plans?
I use will for promises and going to for decided plans.
That's how I use them too. Will for predictions and going to for plans.
Sometimes I say might or may when I'm not sure.
Yes, might shows possibility, like I might visit my sister next month.
Exactly. It's a softer future than will or going to.
What big plans do you have for 5 years from now?
I hope I will be working in a different city by then.
Do you think you will move soon?
I might move if the right job appears.
That makes sense. I would love to travel more in 5 years.
Which countries are you thinking about?
I would like to visit Japan and then maybe Italy for the food.
Japan is amazing. I think you will love the culture and food.
I hope so. Do you set goals and aspirations for the future?
Yes, I set small goals every month and a few big goals each year.
What's one big goal you have this year?
My goal is to finish a book I started writing.
That's ambitious. I believe you will finish it if you keep going.
Thank you. And what's your big personal goal this year?
I want to create a small garden by summer and grow herbs.
That's lovely. Fresh herbs at home sound wonderful.
I'm going to try planting basil, mint, and rosemary.
Do you think you might teach others about gardening someday?
Maybe. I may share tips with friends if it goes well.
Planning to share knowledge is a nice future idea.
Do you often make lists of future plans?
Yes, I write short lists. This week, this month, this year.
I do the same. It helps me see what's realistic.
Do you ever change your future plans?
Often, plans shift with life, and that's okay.
I agree. Flexibility is important for future thinking.
How do you feel when a plan changes unexpectedly?
I try to adapt and find a new, small goal to replace it.
That's a good strategy. I try to stay calm and replan.
When you talk about the future, do you like to dream big?
I love dreaming big, but I also enjoy simple, realistic plans.
Simple plans give daily joy, while big dreams guide long-term choices.
Exactly. Do you ever use phrases like, I hope to, or I plan to?
Yes. I say, I hope to travel more, and I plan to save money.
Those two fit together. Planning and hoping both shape the future.
Do you talk about the future with friends and family often?
I do. We share small plans, like weekend trips, and big hopes, like careers.
Family conversations sometimes include future decisions, like moving or jobs.
True. Have your family plans changed any time recently?
We talked about living closer to my parents, but it's not decided.
So that's a might or may situation.
Yes, I might move if the timing is right.
What about health plans? Do you make future plans for well-being?
I will try to walk more and exercise twice a week.
I'm going to eat more vegetables and sleep earlier.
Those are smart plans for a healthier future.
Do you make financial plans for the future?
I am going to save a little from every paycheck for travel.
I set aside a small amount each month for emergencies and trips.
It feels good to have a financial safety plan.
It does reduce stress and opens possibilities.
How do you decide which future idea to work on first?
I pick what feels most important and most doable right now.
Prioritizing like that helps avoid overwhelm.
Yes, and it keeps momentum going when you complete small steps.
What about career futures? Do you use will or going to in interviews?
I say, I hope to grow in this role, or I plan to learn new skills.
That sounds professional and realistic.
Do you ever predict big world changes when talking about the future?
Sometimes. I say technology will change how we work and live.
I think travel might become easier and more sustainable in the future.
Both are likely. Technology and sustainability are common themes. When someone asks, "Where do you see yourself in 5 years?" how do you answer?
I say, I see myself learning new things and meeting new people.
I prefer answering with values, like, "I will be doing meaningful work."
Values-based answers feel honest and hopeful.
How do you keep future motivation high?
I remind myself of small wins and imagine the positive results.
I write short notes about why a goal matters and read them often.
Visual reminders work well too, like pictures or checklists.
Do you celebrate when you reach a future goal?
Yes, I take a small treat or share the news with friends.
I like to mark milestones with a nice dinner or a quiet walk.
Those celebrations make the journey enjoyable.
What's one small future action you will take after today?
I will organize my weekly plan and add one new learning goal.
I am going to research beginner writing prompts for my course.
Great! Small actions lead to bigger changes over time.
Indeed. Thinking about the future feels exciting and doable together.
Next month, what will you definitely do without fail?
I will finish a small work project and then relax for 2 days.
That sounds balanced and healthy for your schedule.
I am going to take 1 full afternoon just to read.
Which book will you read during that quiet afternoon?
A short novel I started last week but have not finished.
Nice. I am going to sign up for a local photography workshop.
Which kind of photography will the workshop focus on?
It's for beginners learning composition and natural light techniques.
That will help your phone photos look professional and thoughtful.
I hope so. I plan to practice weekly after class.
Will you create a small photo album from your practice sessions?
I might compile a digital album to track progress over months.
That's a great idea. Seeing growth keeps motivation high.
What small habit will you build this month for well-being?
I will read for 20 minutes each night before bed.
I love that. Reading calms the mind and improves sleep.
I'm also going to write 1 sentence of gratitude daily.
Simple gratitude practices really shift perspective over time.
Do you set reminders for new habits or rely on memory?
I use a checklist app and a small sticky note on my desk.
Practical systems make habits easier to keep consistently.
True. How often will you review your long-term goals this year?
I plan to review them every 6 months and adjust priorities.
I prefer quarterly check-ins to keep momentum and focus sharp.
Both approaches work. Find what fits your rhythm best.
Do you have a backup plan if things don't go as expected?
Yes, I usually prepare a simple plan B with fewer commitments.
That reduces stress and keeps options open when situations change. Have you thought about volunteering as a future possibility this year?
I might volunteer monthly at a community center if schedules allow.
That could bring new skills and rewarding connections in your life. It also helps broaden perspective and meet people with varied stories.
When you imagine retirement, what does your ideal day include?
A slow morning in the garden, coffee, reading, and light painting.
Sounds peaceful. Mine includes music practice and small trips nearby.
Do you plan financial steps toward those future comforts and hobbies?
I am going to save a small percentage of each paycheck monthly.
I do the same. Saving regularly makes travel and hobbies possible.
How do you decide to start a new skill versus refining a current one?
I assess time, interest, and whether the skill adds joy or value.
That's sensible. Joy often sustains long-term learning more than obligation.
Do you use will or going to when sharing future intentions?
I use going to for decided plans and will for intentions or promises.
I often say might or may when plans are uncertain or flexible.
Those modal words help manage expectations and show polite uncertainty.
When friends share ambitious dreams, how do you usually respond?
I ask about their first small step and offer encouragement or resources.
I do too. Concrete steps make big dreams feel manageable and real.
What's one small action you will take right after this conversation?
I will sketch a simple weekly plan for my photography practice.
I will write down one learning goal and schedule it into my week.
Small commitments done consistently create meaningful change over time.
Exactly. Future growth is a series of small, steady steps forward.
I'm excited to see how these tiny actions shape our futures soon.
Me too. Let's check in later and celebrate the small wins together.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!